Hey, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to buy real high quality reviews using ReviewConnect. First, go to reviewconnect.me and log into your business account. If you don't have one, hit register and complete your business profile. Once you're in the dashboard, click on buy reviews from the upper menu. You'll be asked to switch to a business account. After that, click on create campaign. Here, you'll see different campaign settings. You need to edit them according to your needs. Here you need to choose the platform where you want your reviews to be and the target country. Search for your business. In my case, I'm gonna put something random just to show you how to set it up. Type in the number of reviews you want to get here. If you can't find your business using the search above, you can manually enter the Google Maps URL here. Business address, as you can see, sets automatically. Here you can provide detailed instructions for your reviewers about what they should focus on, and you can even upload images that your reviewers can see and use. All of this helps you target the right audience and get better with more relevant feedback. After finishing, hit create campaign and proceed to checkout. You can pay using PayPal, credit card and crypto. It's easy and secure. After checkout, you'll see your campaign status that you can always track. That's it. Fast, easy, and very effective. If you need help choosing the right plan, our team is always here to assist. Thank you for using ReviewConnect.